Welcome back, everybody. That lens is awful dirty. What's up, everybody? Yardbird Willie here. We're back for another season, and as you can see, my yard is absolutely full of weeds. Also, the beds are full of weeds, and it's not necessarily a bad thing, but what that tells us is that we have a really good growing environment. But as you can see, right now I'm going around and just digging up this big stuff. And what I mean by big stuff is that right there. Anyway, we're going to gear up for a good season. And this year we're going to get rid of the juniper. And hopefully we're going to walk these borders up. But yeah, that's all right now. I'm going to put a time lapse on and I'm going to pull the rest of these weeds up. Anyway, stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy the ride. And this is spring, summer, and fall of 21. Hope we have a good year. Project here. I got this upper cable here is a replacement for this lower cable. That's my my internet service line from the street, and as luck would have it, the original line was severely damaged. I'll see if I can drop in some pictures. Yeah, the insulator and the shielding and everything inside the jacket was really bad off. So yeah, I had Xfinity come out and drop a new line. That tech was awesome. He was only here for like maybe 40 minutes. So I'm gonna take this spray bottle and hit the rest of these weeds up here, and catch you on the flip side. Don't go away. Stay tuned for more.